You don't remember the day you disappeared. There was no announcement, no goodbye. One day, your name existed, bank records, a passport, a childhood photo on a shelf. The next day, none of it did. This is the story of what comes after. This is the full career of a ghost. It starts with a test you didn't know you were taking. A recruiter who studied you for months before you ever shook their hand. The interview isn't in an office. It's in a diner, a gym, a parking garage. They already know your grades, your depths, your weaknesses. Level 1 isn't about strength. It's about whether you can be trusted with nothing, no cover story yet, no legend, just a plain black folder and a single question. Are you willing to become someone else? Now the real erosion begins. Months of training strip away everything that makes you easy to read. Your habits, your tells, your comfort with being watched. You learn dead drops, surveillance detection, how to lie without your pulse changing. You learn languages in weeks that should take years. And somewhere in that training, the instructor stopped calling you by your real name. That's the first sign it's working. Before your first assignment, they build you a new life, a legend, a job that doesn't exist, an apartment you've never sat in, a history that checks out under any search. You memorize it until it's more familiar than your childhood home. This is the level most people never survive psychologically. The moment your real identity becomes the lie, and the fake one becomes the truth you live in every single day. Deployment. No backup you can see. No embassy that will claim you if it goes wrong. Every relationship you build is strategic. Every friend a potential asset. Every stranger a potential threat. You operate in the space between countries, between laws, in the gray where nothing officially happened. Success here doesn't look like a headline. It looks like nothing happening at all. The best operations in this level are the ones the world never hears about. This is the top of the ladder, and it's lonelier than anyone tells you it will be. At this level, you don't run missions. You are the mission. Your file is sealed even inside the agency. Fewer than a handful of people know your real name still means anything. You've spent so long disappearing that the ghost isn't a codename anymore. It's just what you are. No parade waits at the end of this career. No statue, no public thank you. Just a quiet retirement, under a name that isn't yours, in a town you didn't choose, holding memories you can never tell anyone about. That's the price of every level you climbed. You kept the world safe by making sure the world never knew you existed. That's the full climb, recruit to ghost. If you want to see what level 6 looks like, the operatives who never come home, hit subscribe. The next file is already open.